Good morning, everyone. I am Srishti of class 9B.
Good morning. I am Mani from class 9B.
Today, we are here to deliver national news headlines. First, health and safety. Communicated cough syrups. The World Health Organization (WHO) has issued a medical alert for the three cough syrups: Cordif, Resveres, TR, and Relife, produced in India and linked to the deaths of the children in Madhya Pradesh. Tamil Nadu has already revoked the license of the pharmaceutical companies, Serum's pharmaceutical companies responsible for their manufacture. National CPR campaign. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has launched a CPR Awareness Week 2025 to train citizens in cardiopulmonary resuscitations and equip them in a life-saving skills.
Politics and elections news. Bihar seat sharing trouble. Seat sharing negotiation with the Mahagathbandhan opposition alliance for the Bihar Assembly elections have settled. The RJD and Congress are reportedly at an impasse over key constituencies. Tensions were visible after RJD leader Lalu Prasad allegedly distributed tickets to someone candidate, a move later reserved by his son Tejasvi Yadav. Election Commission directive. The Election Commission has mandated that all the political parties and candidates get their advertisement pre-certified by Media Certification and Monitoring Committee before publicizing by the social media ahead of Bihar polls. Haryana IPS suicide case. Following the alleged suicide of IPS officer Yadav, Puran Kumar Haryana, De JTP, Satrujit Kapoor have been set on leave. Rahul Gandhi made their deceased officer family who are refusing an autopsy until their demand for Kapoor arrest is met.
Economy and business, LG Electronics IPO success. Shares of LG Electronics India debuted on the stock market with a 50% premium over the issue price, marking one of the country's most successful IPO listings in years. Google's AI investment. Google has announced a $15 billion investment over the next 5 years to establish an AI data center hub in Andhra Pradesh. Retail inflation essays. India's retail inflation in September fell to an 8-year low of 1.54%, primarily due to a dip in food prices. Fixed airfare scheme. Alliance Air has launched a new fixed airfare scheme, Fare Se Fursat, in an effort to make air travel more affordable.
Defense and foreign relations. Counter-infiltration in Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian Army has killed 2 terrorists in the encounter along the lines of control LOC in Jammu Kashmir's Kupwara district, foiling an infiltration bid. Stand against Pakistan at UN. India, though MP Nishikant Dubey slammed Pakistan at the United Nations General Assembly UNGA for human rights violations, especially against children. Support for Gaza peace. At the Sharm El-Sheikh Peace Summit, India reiterated its support for the Gaza peace plan and called for a resolution, though dialogue and the diplomacy. UN peacekeeping conclave. The Indian Army is hosting a 3-day conclave in New Delhi for the chief of the United Nations troops, contributing countries to discuss the peacekeeping strategies. India has contributed over the 3 lakh personnel to the UN.